Getting a Wix sitemap is essential for search engine optimization and website navigation. In this tutorial we will cover two methods to obtain a Wix sitemap. Firstly, you need to understand what a sitemap is. A sitemap is a file that lists all the pages on your website, helping search engines like Google to crawl and index your site. Method 1 is to use the Wix To Wix tool. To do this, log into your Wix account and go to the Wix dashboard. Click on the Marketing and SEO tab and then select the To Wix tool. Follow the prompts to set up the To Wix and it will automatically generate a sitemap for your website. Method 2 is to manually create a sitemap. To do this, log into your Wix account and go to the Wix dashboard. Click on the Site Manager and then select the Sitemap option. You will then see a list of all the pages on your website. You can then use this list to manually create a sitemap. It is recommended to use method 1 as it is quicker and more efficient. However, method 2 can be useful if you want to customize your sitemap. Once you have obtained your sitemap, you need to submit it to Google. To do this, go to the Google Search Console and log into your account. Click on the Sitemaps tab and then select the Submit a Sitemap option. Enter the URL of your sitemap and click Submit. In conclusion, getting a Wix sitemap is essential for search engine optimization and website navigation. By following the two methods outlined in this tutorial, you can easily obtain a sitemap and submit it to Google. Remember to keep your sitemap up to date by regularly updating it with new pages and content.